1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go with Lalo, please.
Take a paddle.
I have a paddle.
Tipo 4, por favor.
4, ¿ya usted nada más? Ok.
Gracias.
Is this our boat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, like 50% with the accident happened with this part with the paddle. You need to grab the paddle like that, okay? I practice a little bit now. Remember, when name says stop, paddle, get out, and you relax. Forward, paddle, forward. Try to paddle together, same time. Paddle push a little bit hard, making like teamwork. Safety command, we call it lean in. When name say lean in, just in case, but don't use it a lot, but just in case we say lean in. Grab the paddle, and grab this line, and lean your body like that.
Okay.
That's leaning, yeah.
You know how to swim, right?
Huh?
You know how to swim, right?
A little bit. You're in
Make sure
trouble.
the paddle-
You're in trouble. Oh, you get to go in the front.
What will it do?
In the phone.
You don't want to go in the front? Go ahead.
You wanna go with me in the back?
Okay, fun, sir.
Yeah. So excuse me, you wanna switch sides, please? Switch sides. Switch sides.
Oh, where do I sit?
No, you see there.
Over here?
Yes, I need the boys outside, you know.
Oh, okay, yeah. Not better. Keep it balanced.
Hi, everyone.
Hello! Yeah.
Okay,
that?
don't forget,
Oh, okay.
you need to grab the paddles like that. When name say forward, paddle forward, okay? Paddle forward right now. Paddle forward. You are the best team. Forward together. Push it hard. Forward, forward, please.
We're moving a little.
Forward. Forward.
Oh,
Forward.
it's coming out.
Stop. Look at the paparazzi. Stop. Stop. Give me a high five. High five for the picture. Paddle up. Paddle up. Close to my paddle right here. Look at the paparazzi
Oh.
right there. Look at this way.
Yeah. There you go.
Paparazzi right there.
Look at me! Don't look at me!
Okay, forward paddle, please. Stop. Forward again. Stop. 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 Oh, stay nice with the paparazzi to the left. Stay alert to go. Dale acá yo Arturo, porfa. Forward paddle, please. Stay good.
Oh my God!
Oh, we turn around.
Okay, stop. Thank you very much. This is nothing.
This is just the start.
It's funny.
So today, welcome to the Tenorio River. I'm gonna be on like an hour, 20 minutes, hour and a half today. I'm walking like 7 miles, 12 kilometers. Trying to find wildlife, you know, along the river, monkeys, iguanas, maybe crocodiles.
Where?
Piranha.
Show me crocodile.
Later, I need one volunteer to
I'm looking for crocodile.
A beautiful male iguana right there to the left and tap to this tree right there.
Ooh.
Look at these branches come down right there. Right in top, you see it?
Oh yeah,
green
yeah.
one,
You
yeah.
see it.
That's a male.
Where? I didn't see.
Right there, by the
not gonna see, just pass, yeah.
You see more. Right now it's all like beautiful. Man.
hanging on to the branch.
Yeah.
This is the moment, you know.
Right here, right there.
Just hiding there, you
The male will
can
make
Can't see it anymore.
different corner.
attractive women. When the male is orange, they're ready for coochie coochie.
Just took it down.
ask for my picture. Baltimore Oriole bird nest.
You want to race?
And this part of the river, we didn't glide one and two. Upper part, we didn't whitewater rafting. We just glided to the shore. Forward bottom, please. See a monkey to the right side.
What?
Very, all the way to the very back. You just can't see.
You just missed it.
I always can see that.
That big branches right there coming to this way, coming to the river, in the middle to the big branch.
Yeah, he's looking at us.
Yeah,
I
we
see
look
branch,
this way.
but
Oh.
I don't see no.
I think it's right, like in the middle of it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Did you see?
Yeah, it's like in the the second lowest branch.
I see branch, but I didn't see.
Forward, please.
This grass that's here,
Now with the Tenorio River, we join to another river. This is the Costa Rica River. Costa Rica, remember what the place you want to today? This regular tour, sometimes we start in this river. Not today, because that river is by control, you know, where the water comes from the Arena Lake. We are like at the power dam. Slow right now.
Raining right now.